Yeah, this is the story of this young girl. She is tired drawing the eyebrow with eyebrow pencil. She came to GLOJAS, and 2 weeks ago we performed a SMART eyebrow transplant. This is the nape of the neck, donor area, 2 weeks already healed well. The most important today is we can see that microscope of the eyebrow is already shed off. The graft is already inside the eyebrow. Now is giving a fuller look on the right side eyebrow and the left side eyebrow.
Now I don't have to draw my eyebrows anymore every day, and thank you to Prof. Dato Dr. JasG for helping me to do this procedure successfully. Thank you, GLOJAS.